guys, welcome back for another clean with me. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you're new here, my name is Rogina and welcome back to Life with Rogina, where I share cleaning motivation, lifestyle content, and everything in between. Today is going to be, what time is it? It's 11:45. Today is probably going to be a speed clean situation, maybe a power hour, or maybe like a 45-minute speed clean, because I really don't have all day for this. So we're gonna get this room together and maybe this bathroom together, get all these clothes up, because I've been pulling stuff out of my closet that I no longer can wear and I really don't want, and put everything back where it's supposed to be. I don't know what my husband has going on his side of the bed. He's been like going through his clothes too, so I'm just gonna leave his stuff over there, but everything else I have to pick up. Okay.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new world. up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be?